the invisible system. Every great system begins with many small parts working together. With teamwork, ideas, and creativity, every student plays an important role in building a strong bridge.
Something is missing. Let's check every connection. I found it. Let us fix it together.
But what happens when just one important piece goes missing? The structure becomes unstable. The students observe, analyze, communicate, and work together to identify the missing part. Once the missing piece is restored, the entire system becomes strong again. Every small part truly matters. From bridges to bicycles, machines to classrooms, every successful system depends on teamwork. Because when everyone contributes, everyone succeeds. Teamwork makes every system stronger. Every part matters, every person matters.